Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted Instagram messages or recover or restore your all deleted Instagram chats. When you accidentally delete your Instagram chats or messages, in this time you can easily recover or restore or read or see your all deleted Instagram chats or messages. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. And inside I can see my all Instagram chats. So first of all I can delete Instagram messages or chats. After that delete, you can see in this time I can delete some Instagram chats or messages, but in this time I can easily recover or restore or read or see all deleted Instagram chats or messages. So let's see how to do that. So first of all go to your Google Play Store. After that choose and open Google Play Store. After that you can see recover messages all files. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it, and in this time you can choose and select your own language. I can choose English language. Choose next, click on it. Choose next and then again choose next. After that choose get started, click here. After that in this here I can see my all deleted Instagram messages or chats recover or restore in this here. And in this here I can see me and my friends all deleted Instagram chats and messages recover or restore. And in this way you can easily recover or restore or read or see your all deleted Instagram chats and messages. And in this time I can easily recover or restore my deleted Instagram messages and chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.